Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam Malaysia Madani dan salam Enres Lestari. Miss Suksiri Chamsuk, Deputy Representative UNIDO Regional Office in Thailand, yang berusaha Puan Sharin Shariza binti Dato Abdul Ghani, Chairperson of the Board Malaysian Green Technology and Climate Change Corporation MGTC, yang berbahagia Dato Muhammad Razif bin Haji Abdul Mubin, Deputy Secretary General Energy, Ministry of Energy Transition and Water Transformation Petra, and as well as Board of Director of MGTC, yang berusaha Insinyur Teknologis Samsul Bahar Muhammad Noor, Chief Executive Officer, Malaysian Green Technology and Climate Change Corporation, Project Partners, Ride EV, Blue Shark, Food Panda, Zalora, SPX, MBPJ, Majlis Bandaraya Petaling Jaya, ya, and IONS Technology. Distinguished guests, riders, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning again to all of you. It is indeed my great honor to join you here today at this significant moment as we officially flag off the electric motorcycle with battery swapping system demonstration project. This milestone marks a bold step forward in Malaysia's journey towards a sustainable, low carbon transportation. As a nation, Malaysia is steadfast in its commitment to addressing climate change and achieving our net zero greenhouse gas emissions target by 2050. The National Energy Transition Roadmap (NETR) lays out an ambitious pathway to decarbonize our economy, with the transportation sector playing a critical role, particularly in advancing the electrification of our transport system. Our vision is clear: to achieve 20% EV penetration by 2030 and 80% by 2050. The statistics speaks for themselves. Transportation contributes over 20% of Malaysia's total greenhouse gas emissions, and motorcycles make up a significant portion of our vehicle population, with nearly 8.5 million active units as of 2023. Transitioning to electric motorcycle is not merely an option, it is a necessity if we are to achieve our NETR goals. Today's demonstration project, made possible through the GEF-7 UNIDO Accelerating the Adoption and Scale-up of Climate-Smart Transports in Malaysia project, is a prime example of how international collaboration and local innovation can lead to transformative outcomes. My deepest gratitude goes to the Global Environment Facility, GEF, and the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, for their support in funding and expertise. The introduction of battery swapping system, BSS, represents a groundbreaking innovation that addresses critical barriers to EV adoption, such as range anxiety, charging time challenges, and high upfront costs. BSS offers a transformative solution, streamlining the user experience and making electric motorcycles more accessible and practical for everyday use. But still, nevertheless, you have to make it friendly for the ladies. 10 kg is too much for a lady. So maybe that will be the next challenge. to the technology. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to commend the collaborative efforts of our partners, MGTC, Right EV, Blue Shark, and project partners Food Panda, Zalora, SPX, Majlis Bandaraya Petaling Jaya, and Ions Technology. So you can see all those who use EV motorcycle will build some kind of arm muscle. You don't need to go to the gym, just ride your bike every day. Your collaborative spirit and unwavering commitment have brought this initiative to materialize. The active participation of riders in these demonstrations highlights the importance of placing end users at the center of technological advancement. It's supposed to be a joke, but like the mobile phone. You remember Arthur? Arthur phone? If you throw it to dog, the dog will definitely die. So that's the same with technologies. I believe very soon it will be as light as possible. As lighter as possible, yeah? Beyond just technology, this initiative sets a foundation for developing crucial standards and safety requirements. The work by Standards Malaysia and MARI to develop a national standard for battery swapping systems reflects our proactive stance in ensuring compatibility, safety, and quality, which are vital enablers for widespread adoption. Ladies and gentlemen, this project goes beyond simply deploying electric motorcycles. It stands as a powerful testament to Malaysia's leadership in championing sustainable development and cultivating partnerships on both global and local fronts. It embodies a future where innovation aligns seamlessly with sustainability, with every effort driving us closer to our shared vision of a greener Malaysia and the realization of our net zero aspirations. As we accelerate the transition to electric mobility, let us remain steadfast in championing collaboration, fostering innovation, and embedding sustainability in every aspect of our journey. To the riders participating in these projects, you are trailblazers. Trailblazers, demonstrating the power and potential of this innovative technology through your daily journeys. With every mile you travel and every delivery you make, you are not only showcasing the capabilities of these electric motorcycles, but also driving us closer to a cleaner, more sustainable, and efficient transportation system. How wonderful it is. Your role is invaluable by testing, transporting, and bringing this initiative to life. You are the backbone of this groundbreaking effort. But your contribution goes beyond this event. You are part of a larger movement that is paving the way for a greener, more eco conscious future. Your dedication and commitment are critical to ensuring this project reaches its full potential. And for that, we are deeply grateful. As we stand at this juncture of progress and potential, let us reaffirm our commitment to driving change. Let us continue to champion sustainability, innovation, and collaboration, ensuring Malaysia remains at the forefront of the energy transition. With that, it is indeed my privilege and great pleasure to officially flag off the electric motorcycle with battery swapping system demonstration project. Thank you.